red. Guys getting this? Perp over here at McDonald's keeps hitting his car alarm. How many times have you hit it since we've been here? 10? Huh. Anyway, there's a red perp that pulled in over here. There's a red truck over here.
Oh my god. I guess 29.
The red cars in the drive-thru, and there's 3 red ones right over here back to back. High beams on this one. I actually see this one perping a lot. See that? White truck. The running light keeps beeping on because the guy he hits the alarm. Maybe 12 times since I've been here. Running lights on. Red ones, 2 red ones passing by simultaneously out front. Red ones pulling into the gas station over here. I don't know if I can get that. More red one driving by out front. Red one behind us that just pulled in with his high beams on. Red truck, red trailer. Hi, Mama. Hey. Hey, see that white truck right there? Some dude hit the alarm out. We were out here like 15 times. I mean like over and over. See?
Yeah.
Do you hear it? More red ones.
Worst pain. Look, fucking felt. Okay. Oh, thank you.
You alright? I'm gonna close the door, okay? Alright. Look, there's a piece of shit gang stalker pulled up behind us here. High beams on. Yeah, we were sitting here, and I just happened to pull my phone out and start filming, and this guy hit his alarm like 15 times in this white Dodge truck. So,
Okay,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
He just did it twice again.
Yeah. I took back my shirt money.
Oh,
So I
awesome.
get one of these
That's
filled.
cool, man. Really cool. All right.
Oh.
Yeah, he just did it 2 more times. He just did it again. I just happen to have the camera facing over that way, too. Well, it's because I'm here.
Mom, you woke up on the floor?
Let's see if he's looking. Are you looking?
Probably.
Got it all on film. Gang stalking. Gang stalkers doing what they do. I'm glad I got this on film. It's very good footage. Obviously a perp vehicle. Obviously. I'd say all the ones pulling in are. Oh yeah, high beams on that white one too. That was a good film, huh?